Last time in Arizona. That's for sketchy.
Very small.
Very sketchy.
Why you do this to us, Paige?
We have about 31 miles to go, and our ETA is about an hour and 10 minutes. Cute.
How's it drive?
Cute, 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 cute.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm in the bathroom at Freddy's, the burger place we're eating at. I don't normally take selfies or videos in the bathroom, but this bathroom has faucets that have screens on them. Advertisements. That's freaking insane. But I just found out that we're probably gonna go eat again. All right, so we are in Arizona, as you already know. We just got done eating, and I was just told that we're having dinner again in a little bit. So we just ate burgers and fries, and we're gonna go and eat frickin' dinner in probably like a half an hour at Marley's friend Paige's house with her family that just came into town for her graduation. That's the whole reason we're here in Arizona, is to be at her graduation from college. Pretty exciting, but not excited for second dinner tonight. But we'll see how it goes. It'll be homemade food, so maybe it'll be good. And the dessert will be good too. All right, everybody. It's the next morning. I zonked out. We did not have second dinner yesterday, thank God. Getting dressed up to go to the graduation, for Paige's graduation. Not sure what we're gonna do afterwards, but just got about another hour left until we gotta head out. So sitting, I think, at like 85 degrees, and it's about 11 o'clock in the morning here. But yeah, I'll bring you along for the ride as always. At the Grand Canyon University Arena, which is where the graduation is taking place for Grand Canyon University students. They have the choir, people singing as live music before the event starts. The event starts in about a half an hour. It starts at 2 o'clock, so it's 1:30 and it's getting pretty full. We're saving 15 seats. We had to sit up in the very top, as you can see. We had to sit up in the top because we did not get here early enough to save 15 seats. So I don't know if we're supposed to be up here. We got up here and one of the ladies was like, "Did someone tell you that this was open?" And we said, "Yeah." And they're like, "Which one told you that?" And we showed her, and she kind of rolled her eyes and sighed. So I don't know if this is going to be open to everybody, but we get more and more people coming in. So hopefully it's okay. But we got our 15 seats saved, so that's all that matters. Paige has a pretty big family that is coming out to support her, so that's exciting. And I think we're gonna go to an Italian restaurant after this and party it up for graduation. trying to find Paige right now.
Forever be in love, so there ain't no need to rush. But one day I won't be able to ask you loud enough. I'll say, will you marry me? I swear that I will mean it. I swear, will you?
Alright, so we're back from the graduation ceremony. That's what it's called, right? And we're heading to Carrabba's, which is an Italian restaurant. But it was there. Okay, you don't understand. The air conditioning was like right on top of me, and it was coming down. I had goosebumps. It was coming down all over my backside and my arm and basically my whole right hand side. I was right under the air conditioning. I was freezing, and I didn't bring a sweater. Well, I was wearing Marley's jacket. And I looked awfully feminine with my hairy legs. But so we're just waiting for Paige to grab something from her house, and then we're heading there to be with her family and celebrate and eat, because I'm starving. It's like 6:30 our time. We're normally eating about now. Long day. We've completed dinner. I'm stuffed and it's time for bed. Oh my god. Tell everyone what we just did.
We just had Paige's graduation dinner. Laugh.
That's it?
Yeah, and I'm tired,
Yeah.
but it was fun. It was good. We had lots of good food and cake.
I'm tired too. Look at me.
Oh my gosh.
It's Friday morning. We just got done eating breakfast and we're gonna go check out Paige and Zach's new house that is currently being built. I guess they are laying the foundation right now, but they have a couple models of a couple of the options that they were able to choose from. There was 3 different floor plans that they could choose from. It's in this new neighborhood that's down the street a couple miles. So we're gonna go check out the model and get an idea of what their house is gonna look like. It should be done, I think they said the end of August or the middle of September at the latest. But yeah, so we're gonna go check that out. Not really any plans as of today. I heard that there's a Topgolf nearby, so we might go check that out. I haven't ever been to Topgolf before, so that would be awesome. But if we end up going, you'll know. If we don't, then I guess you'll know that too. So this is just a model of the home they're gonna get. They said a couple things that they chose are a little bit different than what this will be, but this is the basic outline. Alright, so we're at Topgolf. We just made a membership. Good lifetime warranty, any Topgolf. This place is popping. There's like an 1.5 hour wait. So it's crazy. Hey, so we just got done at Topgolf. It is 1:15 a.m. local time in Arizona, which means it is 2:15 a.m. in Utah, and I'm exhausted. And today's our last night. We gotta get back on the plane tomorrow to go home. But yeah, we were at Topgolf for about an hour. We had to wait for like an hour and a half because that place was popping. But I'm starting to get a blister on my hand. I'm not excited for that. Now I know why people wear golf gloves. Because it's only on my left hand. My right hand's totally fine, but it is burning already. But we're exhausted. We're going to bed. Good night. One of the weirdest vending machines I've ever seen. You first have to go up to this kiosk and make a new account. Put in all your information. And then it allows you to get something out of the vending machine. So what would you like to get? Since I already went through this process.
Just need some honey chips.
You want some classic chips, or do you want oven baked, or malt vinegar and sea salt?
No, not those ones.
You want classic? So once you make a new account, you put your fingerprint. Oh, that's for that one over there. Oops. This one. You want anything for that?
No. I mean, I guess maybe $8.
Yeah. $8.50 left.
Get a drink out of it.
Grab your chips. Okay. Those are $1.25 for that little bag. Okay, not bad. We're left with 30-some cents.
Okay.
Weirdest vending machine ever. Kinda cool, but dumb. And neat.
Look at me. I look like I walked in off the streets.
It's good.
My hair. That's bad.
You didn't shower today.
No, I didn't.
Ew. You're going to tonight. The last hurrah. Onto the big plane to go back home. Still got that bright blue sky out. Thanks for sticking by and watching us, guys. This is our weekend in Arizona that we had. Man, that was fun. If you're seeing this, drop a like on the video, because I know that this vlog's gonna be a long one. I'm just gonna jam pack 3 days worth of videos into this one video since I do it weekly uploads. Yeah, smash a like. Thanks, guys.